Well, people from over 10 states who were affected in this cowardly killing in Pahalgam. And now, when it comes to Kanpur, mayor has taken up to bring that announcement that a park in a square that will now be named after Shubham Dwivedi has offered a job to his wife if she is willing. However, the Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav seems to be completely lacking similar sympathy for the terror victims' family. When he was asked whether he would be visiting the grieving family of Shubham Dwivedi, here is how Akhilesh Yadav responded.
हालांकि परिवार से मेरा कोई संबंध नहीं है और मैं तो अपने पार्टी के लोगों से कहूंगा कि ऐसी घटना में जरूर पहुंचें, क्योंकि कई बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग व्यवहार भी गलत करवा देते हैं दूसरों के साथ। ये बात ओपन नहीं बोलनी चाहिए मुझे, लेकिन क्योंकि आपने ये सवाल पूछा है, कभी भी किसी को कार्यक्रम में अपमानित करा देती है भारतीय जनता पार्टी, इसलिए बहुत सावधान भी रहना चाहिए। और अभी तो आप मेरा साथ दे रहे हो, 5 मिनट उनका साथ देने लगोगे। अभी हमें ही जाने के लिए कह रहे हो। मुझे याद है एक फौजी के हमें गया था एज ए मुख्यमंत्री, उस कमरे में आरएसएस के लोग बैठे हुए थे। उन्होंने क्या करवाया था आप पता करवा लेना।
Well, Sabya, if he doesn't have any relation with the family, nobody here, as far as when it comes to the entire country, has any direct relation with the family. But we are feeling it. We know the pain that, someone has when it comes to untimely losing a family member. And is this how a former chief minister would have reacted? Because the chief minister himself, Yogi Adityanath, made it a point that he will go to Kanpur and he will be there present when the last rites of Shubham Dwivedi were about to take place.
Well, that's right. See, Akhilesh Yadav have given an absurd statement. Now the entire country is feeling the pain of the people who have lost their loved ones in this heinous act of terrorism. Now, on the other hand, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself went to visit the family members of Shubham Dwivedi. We can see in the visuals that he was quite emotional after visiting the family, and this particular statement, this absurd statement coming in from Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, which has led to a poster war between the BJP and the Samajwadi Party, where the BJP have questioned this particular decision of Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, stating that Mr. Akhilesh Yadav was quite sentimental when the death happened of Mukhtar Ansari. At that particular time, Akhilesh Yadav shedded tears. But what happened this time? And the BJP, in fact, questioning that since Akhilesh Yadav made the statement that he is not related to the family just because he is not connected to the Dwivedi surname, and that particular surname does not fall into the vote bank of the Samajwadi Party, and that is the reason why Mr. Akhilesh Yadav does not think that it is important.
BJP has come out to raise questions over the statement of the Samajwadi Party chief, putting out the question that if political interests are above nation and its security.
अखिलेश यादव जी जिस तरह की घटिया राजनीति करते हैं ना, उनको इसीलिए आज लोगों के बीच में जाने से डर लगता है, और इसीलिए आज वो शुभम में भी उसकी जाति देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि अपराधियों की, आतंकियों की भी वो जाति और मजहब देखा करते हैं। तो यहाँ भी शुभम की उनको शुभम में द्विवेदी दिखाई पड़ रहा होगा। उन्हें लगता है शायद ये उनका वोट बैंक नहीं है और इसके आधार पर भी वो निर्णय करते हैं। ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। उनकी पीड़ा नहीं दिख रही। आज आतंकी घटना में जिस तरह से लोग मारे गए हैं, उनके परिजनों के दुख पर वो मरहम नहीं लगा सकते हैं, बल्कि उनके बयानों से आज लोगों के जख्मों पर और नमक मिर्च लगाने का काम अखिलेश जी कर रहे हैं। सर मानिए अखिलेश जी को ऐसी राजनीति पर।
Well, the BJP leaders here calling the statement of Akhilesh Yadav as unfortunate. With that, we head into a short break.